Hi, I've just received my Rise Desiccant Dehumidifier from Inventor, so let's open the box. And we have an instruction manual. And this has a handle, so you can lift it right out. What distinguishes the Rise dehumidifier from the rest of the Inventor dehumidifier series is the unique design and upgraded desiccant technology which guarantees efficiency in solving humidity problems. The Rise desiccant dehumidifier has no compressor, so it runs quieter, and it absorbs moisture from the air rather like a sponge. This cutting-edge technology means greater efficiency at lower room temperatures.